Hey everybody, check out what we got here from Ace Supply. It's like a mason's line of string, so we can use this to mark where we're going to be doing our masonry, our walls and whatnot. And so this is what it looks like here. Let me see if I can find the end of it. It looks like it would be right here. I think it's here. Boy, let's see if we can pick this off here. It's like 1,000,000 degrees out here in the sun, and I am trying to do something here. There we go. Okay, there we go. They kind of glued the end, I guess. So this is what it looks like here. It's super strong. I mean, it's masonry, it's not going anywhere. So you can run it strong and taut, and it's not stretchy or anything like that. So it's going to totally hold its position for you, and it is really nice. And I think this color said it was orange, so nice and fluorescent and bright, and you can see it from wherever. So totally cool. Thumbs up.